Anthony Smithson here live tonight on Diabetes Everyday YouTube channel, where I have agreed to interview a Mr. John Smith, who claims that the medical establishment and big pharma have conspired to keep critical information about managing diabetes away from the public. Mr. Smith describes himself as a whistleblower, so let's see what he has to say. So, what's your connection to the medical establishment or any of the diabetes-related pharmaceutical companies?
I'm not really connected, but I've done a lot of high-level internet research to figure this all out, and I talked to some people too.
Okay. Now, we agreed to block your face and alter your voice for this interview, but why not just appear as yourself?
I'm in fear for my life.
From like the American Medical Association?
You said it, not me.
Okay, tell your story. Tell us about this big conspiracy.
So what I found first was evidence of this secret study. I found stuff starting in 1996, but who knows how long it's been going on. I found the government captured thousands or maybe hundreds of thousands of people who they thought might develop type 2 diabetes, and they kept them locked away in secret hospitals performing experiments on them and found out how to prevent diabetes. They found the secret. This was a top secret and code-named diabetes prevention program. But they never told anybody the secret, and nobody has ever heard from the people they were experimenting on again. And it could still be going on.
Oh, wait, hold on.
There's more. The big pharma companies making diabetes medications, they know the secret. They know how it could help people, make their medicine work better, help slow down the disease, keep them healthier, but they don't tell anyone. Nobody knows except the government, doctors, the big drug companies, and now me.
Okay, I give. What exactly is the big secret?
Okay, it's a lifestyle thing. It's working with these secret diabetes educating people to change the way you eat and to get more exercise. You don't hear about this anywhere. Not from your doctor, not from the Diabetes Association or anybody. If they would let this information out, we could learn to eat healthier and we could learn how to get more exercise. It's so simple, but no dice. We're in the dark. Bingo, that's it. If people only knew. What was that?
I'm home.
Wait. Where are you going? Wait. Oh, you got to see this. So what'd you think?
Okay, so sometimes I'm a little frustrated that people don't always come away from their doctors really understanding just how immensely important lifestyle factors like diet and exercise are to diabetes management. But it's surely not any kind of secret. The diabetes prevention program wasn't code name or secret. It's still going and it's very well known. And every diabetes medication I know of always has words like these under the indications and usage of the patient information packet. Metformin tablets are indicated as an adjunct to diet and exercise to improve glycemic control in adults and children with type 2 diabetes. Onglyza is indicated as an adjunct to diet and exercise to improve glycemic control in adults with type 2 diabetes. Starlix is a glycemide indicated as an adjunct to diet and exercise to improve glycemic control in adults with type 2 diabetes. And no secrets there. There's surely nothing secret about diabetes educators. We're now called diabetes care and education specialists, and we are everywhere. You can find us at diabeteseducator.org, and the American Diabetes Association has one whole section on their website under a nutrition tab and another under fitness. And I've been preaching lifestyle forever. All in all, Mr. Whistleblower John Smith was completely wrong. He was right about all those thousands of missing patients in the diabetes prevention program. However, nobody's ever seen them again.
You're kidding.
Of course I'm kidding.
You think anybody will watch this far?
Let's find out.